What's up, y'all? So, some of you may or may not know, but I have a 2017 Corvette Grand Sport, and I messed up. Now, I say I messed up, but only because I can't drive it right now. This thing is a blast to drive, but I took a perfectly good running LT1 out of this thing to do some engine work. Now, I'll go, or I won't go way in depth on how I took the engine out because everything is so tight in here. But I'll link a video by a guy named Michael Brown. The dude goes in depth with like tips and tricks. He's got an LT4, but it's the same engine, it just has a blower and a different bottom end, which is why I'm doing all this. I got a huge mess. Cranks right there, but I blew the engine apart. I'm doing new main bearings, ARP main studs, ARP head bolts. I have a pair of K-Tech ported heads, diamond pistons, Cali's rods. This is the GPI drop-in pistons, and I got these with lowered compression because I'm gonna run boost. I got a V7 YSI blower kit from A&A Corvette. I got a Trinity intake with port injection that I'm throwing on this thing because I'm also adding port injection along with DSX auxiliary fuel pump, DSX E85 flex fuel sensor, and you can't see it, it's under all this crap, but I got a monster clutch. Let's go into this thing. I should have started filming when I started taking this thing apart, but it took me a good 8 hours to get everything out of this. 4 of those was the exhaust because the X pipe, these are Texas Speed headers and X pipe, and they were like in a bind and it was almost impossible to take them off. I thought I was gonna have to cut them off, but I just ended up beating them out. So I'm gonna figure something else out with this. I need to put some V-bands on that, and then I'll probably have to modify that exhaust. And I also have that exhaust sitting there that I was gonna throw on here because I wasn't sure what was on it, but we'll make something work out of both. Anyway, yeah, you guys stay tuned. I'll update you guys as much as I can. I've been posting like stuff on my stories on Instagram and Facebook, but I haven't filmed anything until now. So that's all I got for now, guys. I don't know, watch or something, whatever. I'm just documenting this stuff because I am. Also, I sold my dually. I had it for like a year, or kind of finished, drivable for about a year. Only put about 1,000 miles on it. Ended up deciding to put it up for sale, and then a shop called, I think Reckless Rides out of Liberty Hill, Texas. They drove down, gave me the cash, picked it up, drove it back. I mean, I guess we'll see what they end up doing with it, but it looked like they turned out some pretty cool rides up there, so seems like it's in good hands. Anyway, that's all I got. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.